I harvested this one about 6 days ago, and I did what I think of as a good harvest, a good 85% harvest. A general rule of thumb that I like to say is to take no more than a third, but you got to do it every 4 or 5 days. It's grown back so fast, I think it's ready to have some more harvested today. This one used to be our biggest, like it was out this far, like years ago, but that was when I think everybody was peeing on it. Now, I think it's ready to be harvested. I think I want to take about 40%. Normally what I want to do is take enough so that it's going to be it's harvesting all of the same sunlight, but with less plant to have to support. Like a leaf over a leaf, then the bottom leaf isn't getting much solar energy, but it's got all this leaf to keep alive and all of its stem as well. I want to improve the solar panel to plant ratio and eat some stalks. This is an Asian pear. It's going to be so good. This rhubarb is the one that needs harvesting the most. What I like to do is to reach down as far as I can, pull and twist. And if I've done a good job, then I'll get this cup on the end. Oh, that stem feels good. It's pretty, I'd like them when they're a little thicker than this, but this will do. Here's a leaf over a leaf. And so this leaf is not getting any solar power from the sun. So I'm gonna pluck that one out. Reach back, pull, and I got the full cup. Nice. The stalk feels firm, so it's good. These leaves are clearly well past their prime. So I'm gonna grab them all out of there and I'm gonna toss them way uphill. So this stalk is a little pithy, squishy, so it's no good. This one's low, so I'm going to pluck it. So I try to pull out the bigger leaves because they're the older leaves. I'm going to guess I took a good 70-75% from this plant. All right, so I threw all those leaves up there. They're going to smother out some of that grass, and then as it breaks down, it's going to feed this rhubarb plant. Just a kitchen knife I grabbed out of the kitchen. I think that's everything. So there's one plant. Take all these leaves, put them with their friends up there. I'd say that this is going to make, I don't know, 7 pints of jam, or I'm going to say a quart of rhubarb candy because it shrinks when you dry the candy. I think today we're making candy.